Taki. Aloha! I'm here at Suishohama in Japan. I'm going to be singing a song called To You Sweetheart Aloha. To you, aloha, aloha, from the bottom of my heart. Keep the smile on your lips, but the tears from my eyes. One more aloha, then it's time for goodbye to you. Aloha, in dreams I will see tonight, and I pray when we two will meet again. Until then, sweetheart, aloha. Until then, aloha. Hello. Until then, sweetheart, aloha. Aloha for my friends in Japan. Sayonara. The beach.